We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, sync, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.